Right, I think that takes care of everybody. Hold on. One more thing to take care of quickly. Whew. For a second there, I thought we had a big problem. Yeah, my charger wasn't charging, but I plugged the power cable in the wrong port. So with that said, 5 minutes after the hour of 7 o'clock right here in Montego Bay, Jamaica, it is my absolute pleasure to bid everybody at BlackScorpioEnterprise.com, the folks on the Facebook live feed, and the folks both on See Jamaica Live and at DJ Roddy G on YouTube. Good morning! Yeah, man, when I drop the morning this morning, you know. In fact, it sounds like me I get a little feedback. How my sound? I play the volume a little louder than normal. Let me just balance it. Right, so on the door. Let me take a look, see. Let me see who is here, who is on the check-in. Let's say good morning to Melissa. Let's say good morning to the folks over there at See Jamaica Live. Oh, the Facebook feed did drop a while ago. Let me double check. Gotta say good morning to the Duke, Garfield. Good morning to my brother, Keith Cole. Let's see if that feed is live. Yeah, live, it's good. Morning to my neighbor, Bedan. Bedan, they on the check-in. Yes, sir. And good morning to Christine, Miss Rendell. Alright, watch me go have a problem with that name now. Toulouse. Is that how it's pronounced? Toulouse? I hope so. Good morning to you. Yeah, man. Welcome to the morning show. This is Roddy for the Road. I'm your host, DJ Roddy G. And this is where we just play some music, have some conversation, interact, and get you ready for the road. But before we get into the music, talk to me. How was the weekend? And there's something that I want you to participate in this morning. I know this is not a talk show, and I'm not trying to be a talk show host, but what happened at Walmart on Black Friday? And how much do you really understand the issue? And what's your take on the issue? I wake up from early this morning, people. I'm up from about 2:30 this morning. And I did some reading. It was so refreshing to do some reading. A long time I not read, you know. Yep. Expanded my vocabulary this morning. Came across some words in academia that I wasn't familiar with. And I saw them use the word agency and agent in a way that I've never seen it before. So you know, so I need to go check up on that. But all of that reading because my auntie got disturbed me with this issue. My auntie sent me, good morning to my auntie Yasmin. She sent me a little article that's happening in, I think it is women's basketball. Yeah, man, college basketball, where them have this transgender woman, and New York Times wrote an article and referred to women as non-transgender women. You know, like a natural woman. You know, have to define a natural woman as being a non-trans. So, yeah. Martina Navratilova took a knock at them, and a couple other people come out and say, wow, New York Times, are they so no God now? Una refer to women as non-transgender. Yeah, man, so then give it to them. So my auntie sent me that article, and she got me reading. And since she got me reading, I started browsing social media, and I saw many influencers saying this thing about DEI and Walmart. And I wanted to get a full appreciation as to what this DEI policy was, what it sought to do, and what was its genesis. I did some reading. I have a better appreciation for the situation right now, and I want to discuss it with you this morning. So if you're not familiar, while you're listening to some selections, I want you just go check it out. And don't check out the social media influencers. Please don't. Don't form an opinion based on social media influencers. They are sensationalizing the issue, and they're not necessarily presenting you facts or anything of substance behind the issue. I implore you to do your own reading, ask the appropriate questions, and let us have a conversation this morning. All right? You can do that for me? Alright, here what I'm going to do for you now. I'm going to get some music on the turntables. I'm going to start it off with some good vibes as we get you ready for the road. This is Roddy for the Road.
Good morning!
Roddy G is your morning man.
Here we are. Become number one worldwide. This one's dedicated to all the soul rockers out there. Number one worldwide. Yo, no, you never know what the world is gonna show you. It ain't up to you. You always think it's gonna happen to another person, and it's never ever gonna happen to you. You got your friends, you got your money, got your family, got your honey. You think you got a million days, but then life comes along and it knocks you right down to the ground. And that's why I say that everybody ought to hug somebody at least once a day. And everybody ought to kiss somebody at least once a day. Everybody's gonna miss somebody at least once a day. And everybody gotta love somebody every day. And we all will rise up. Spread your wings and we all will rise up. And we all will rise up. Spread your wings and we all will rise up. And we all will rise up. Spread your wings and we all will rise up. And we all will never take for granted what the spirit is giving you in the first verse. You might never get a second verse. This ain't rehearsal, you can't put it in reverse. So just believe in yourself. Don't let nobody be a negative to tell you what to do. Cause I know in this sweet, sweet life that just as much is true. Everybody ought to hug somebody at least once a day. And everybody ought to kiss somebody at least once a day. Everybody's gonna miss somebody at least once a day. And everybody gotta love somebody every day. And we all will rise up. Spread the wings and we all will rise up.
Hey, good morning to Paula H.
Spread the wings and we all will rise up. And we all will rise up. Spread the wings and we all will rise up. And we all will rise up.
Sending you some warmth.
So don't you worry about what people say. Raise your head up and be on your way. And it don't matter if you fall today. Just get up, get up, get up, get up. We rise up, we rise up, we rise. We rise up, we rise up, we rise.
Everybody ought to hug somebody at least once a day. And everybody ought to kiss somebody at least once a day. Everybody's gonna miss somebody at least once a day. And everybody gotta love somebody. Everyone, you got your money, got your family, got your honey. You think you got a million days, but then life comes along and it knocks you right down to the ground. And that's why I say that everybody ought to hug somebody at least once a day. And everybody ought to kiss somebody at least once a day. Everybody's gonna miss somebody at least once a day. And everybody gotta love somebody every day. And we all will rise up. Spread the wings and we all will rise up. And we all will rise up. Spread the wings and we all will rise up. And we all will rise up. Spread the wings and we all will rise up. And we all will rise up. And we all will rise up. I heard the purpose of life is to live a life full of purpose, and so don't ever take for granted what the spirit is giving you in the first verse. You might never get a second verse. This ain't rehearsal, you can't put it in reverse. So just believe in yourself. Don't let nobody be a negative to tell you what to do. Cause I know in this sweet, sweet life that just as much is true. Everybody ought to hug somebody at least once a day. And everybody ought to kiss somebody at least once a day. Everybody's gonna miss somebody at least once a day. And everybody gotta love somebody every day.
Oh na na na, while the music roll out.
Yeah, man.
Oh na na na,
Everyone
take a load out.
Good morning.
Hear the sounds and feel the vibe.
Feel the vibe.
Oh yeah, and feel alright.
Come no man.
It's reggae night.
Physically fit,
Everyone is jamming, feeling right.
physically fit,
Singing oh oh, reggae night.
physically fit,
We're dancing right into the morning light.
physically fit.
Singing oh oh, yeah. Whether we there on the beach, yeah, or we there in the streets, yeah. Once the music I play, yeah, everything is complete, yeah. We bring to you like
Let's say good morning to Jermaine.
daily. We don't watch the mess. And this vibe from the place. Reggae night.
Physically fit,
Everyone is jamming, feeling right.
physically fit,
Singing oh oh, reggae night.
physically fit,
We're dancing right into the morning light.
physically fit.
Alright now, reggae night, physically fit. Champagne popping in every district. Girl cream, caramel, some of them are chocolate. Reggae music a play and everybody want it. So every John Zion in the party. I'm there with my shawty. Throw the rock straight till the morning. So you know it's a reggae vibes party.
Reggae night.
Physically fit,
Everyone is jamming, feeling right.
physically fit,
Good morning.
Reggae night.
physically fit,
Dancing right into the morning light.
physically fit.
Singing oh
Style and a pattern. Shaggy and Sting in a combination. Wake up to sunshine of the morning. What a beautiful feeling. Me hear the birds them singing. Way up in the tree limb. Me get a call from the Englishman, say him want come all of I. Him want run left the coal, we get some island life. 44876, at the drop of a dime. Link up anytime. 44876, call the airline. Fly out anytime.
I'm trying to free my mind and live a life stress-free. But the politics of this country are getting to me. I have a dream that I'm swimming in the Caribbean Sea. And then my good friend Shaggy say,
come spend some time, family.
I hear reggae music spraying in the street with maximum bass at our frequencies. It shakes me to my soul with a positive vibration. I start dreaming of Jamaica and the Caribbean nation.
44876. 44876.
Yeah, from the 4-4, go a 876, that a Kingston town, go a London. Big up the UK, man, them bam, 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 bam. Welcome to Jam Roxanne. Fly come a yard for the island breeze. Pretty girl walk on the white sand beach. Try please taste our rice and peas. 876, put your mind at
I hear reggae music, it carries me away. And the ghost of Bob Marley that haunts me to this day. There's a spiritual truth in the words of his song, and the Caribbean nation to which they belong.
44876. 44876. 44876.
We are Yardie. Go the legend Bob Marley.
876.
Yo, Style G.
Baby Shabba, one of them.
We all our mates anytime we a party. So we have to big up the legend Bob Marley. Very phone anytime y'all call we. See him so we bossy Roberto Cavalli. Call me a Yardie, call me a Yardie. We love Benz and Beamers and Hardy. Call me a Yardie, call me a Yardie. We love Benz and Beamers and Hardy.
So call me a Yardie. Yeah, never talk about Yardie. Yo, we have the links, how we invent the baby mother thing. Keep your girl close so we take her if you blink. She will pregnant before you wink. True, we are Yardie. Just get a shipment come in. Custom of a clear, couple farm of a grease. Scotland Yard boy them, that's the list. Yardie we no afraid of police. So call me a Yardie. Next thing we no take tape up. No kick we put box up or drape up. You violate your mouth we get tape up. Inna your house before you wake up. Never this a Yardie. Inna me white mesh marina. Iron pa me hip nine cleaner. Anywhere we dey just know we well cleaner. Yardie we no inna with them inna. Yo Yardie. Baby Shabba, one of them.
You know we are Yardie. When we go out, go party. 20 man a ride up on Ducati. Regular man a spend grand in at the party. But yard man a blow 40. You know we are Yardie. Cause we love gal we naughty. Gal we ride like a brand new Bugatti. We love put it on a cute little shorty. Cause we no love gal we swatty. You know we are Yardie. From you see how we stepping up. Bossy class yard man no we prepping up. Yes me done a money thing man a repping up. We want rich like the boy Johnny Depping up. So as your pin boy food get taking up. Man a go on every cent for you making up. Strictly cash yard man no take checking up. So don't disrespect you know. Call me a Yardie, call me a Yardie. We love Benz and Beamers and Hardy.
Good morning.
Roddy G is your morning man.
Don't let them fool you. Or even Love would never leave us alone. I in the darkness, you must come out the light. Could you be loved?
Hey, good morning to Diana, Miss Ware. Sending greetings from Cole, New Jersey. Good morning to the folks over there in Birmingham. Smith the Jam, good morning to you. Gotta send a big shout out to my brother Torch, the ever burning Torch. As Torch stepping at the chat, Torch said pull. So if you honor him with a pulling on. Taking it from the start. What name? Good morning, Charlicia.
Or even try to school you. Oh no. We've got a mind of our own. So go to hell if what you're thinking is not wrong.
Heart of love to Rhonda. Good morning.
Love would never leave us alone. I in the darkness, you must come out the light. Could you be loved and be loved? Could you be loved, oh yeah, and be
Hey, good morning, Calvin.
We've got a life to live. They say only the fittest of the fittest shall survive. Stay alive. Yeah, yeah. And be loved. I like it like that, yeah. 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 Hey. Everyone's feeling pretty. It's hotter than July. Though the world is full of problems, they couldn't touch us even if they tried.
Hold on. I'm a cousin birthday. But just say a thing when I say I'm a cousin birthday. It's Megan's birthday. The second day in the month of December. Megan is celebrating her birthday today. So everybody ever join me and wish Megan a happy birthday. Everybody on the broadcast right now. Drop a happy birthday, Megan. An international happy birthday this morning. I'm a family.
Yeah, yeah. I like it like that, yeah. 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 Hey. Hey. Everyone's feeling pretty. It's hotter than July. Though the world is
Hey, gotta say good morning to the lady Nikki from right here in Kingston, Jamaica.
tried.
Good morning to you.
From the park I hear them. Molly's heart on your box. Tonight there will be a party. Woo! At the corner at the end of the block. You didn't know you'd be jamming until the break of the dawn. I bet your mama never told you that you.
Hey Calvin, make sure you screenshot them greetings here, you know. Make sure make and get all our birthday big ups, you know.
Got to jam on. They want us to join the fighting, but our answer today is to let all your worries, like the breeze through your fingers, slip away. Freedom come to South Africa. Rastas ride on the one. Now's the time for celebration.
Hey, big shout out to my brother Makian.
We've only just begun. You didn't know you've been jamming until the break of the dawn. I bet your papa never told you that you've been jamming until the break of the dawn. I got to jam on. Where's some lion? One man,
Me girl them plenty like oxygen. Me and them coulda sip a couple supplicant. Cause me love when the girls full of supplements. And them jump on rhythm with an excellence. We got no tolerance, no lenience. Just love and respect and obedience. Well, forget all of your grievance of economical inconvenience. Cause a man coulda shot over 20 cents. Well, the music current like current events. Just give Stevie Wonder me compliments. Cause it transcend among all the continents. And the love where the world experience. Well, let's not fight again.
Jump back, party on the block. Stone love string up alongside jam rock. Super twitch too. People are drive past and stop. Big tune and play DJ. Pull up that drop top, good cash. Shawty looking hot. Frankie D jeans, Gucci alta top. Every man clean. Roots wine on the rock. Champagne up and play. Come on, it's back to the spot. Hear that?
Good morning.
What a piece of music, sweet. Hoping you're having as great a morning as this song. Yes, I. Helping you pull a little pep in your Monday morning step. No Monday morning blues, no matter the weather. To all of the folks over there in New York, feeling the bite of the cold, we are sending some warmth from you. Some sincere warmth. Get you moving. All right, that takes our time now to 31 minutes after the hour of 7 o'clock right here on The Rock. We're back on the same time in New York. No, still up on like a time difference where we don't. What the time over there right now? We're going to reach 9:30. What is that, 9:30 or 8:30? Talk to me. I want to be conscious, you know. Need to know who need for their work and who need to come off of the live stream and go do the people them work. Yeah, we need to find out. I also want to find out from you, what is your position on this DEI situation? We're talking about the diversity, equity, and inclusion policy that apparently resulted in the boycotting of Walmart this past Black Friday. I did some reading on it. I have an opinion on it. I will share my opinion later, but I want to hear what you have to say about it. You see, I'm on the outside looking in, so me free to say anything me want to say. But for those of you who are in it, who are directly impacted by some of the social policies and just the system as a whole in the United States, I'd love for you to chime in. Tell me, what's your point of view? Let me have a balanced opinion, because right now, My opinion is based on journalistic work by a reporter from CNN and maybe one other article. That's what I use to form, because I think CNN to be a credible source. I think the arguments and the information presented was balanced. And so I think it is fair for me to form an opinion just from reading those pieces of material. But for you on the ground, for you in the situation, I'd love for you to share with me. What does DEI mean to you? Do you agree with the boycott? Let me know. Yeah, man, share your opinion. Inform us out there so we know where you go through so we can stand with you. Yeah, you understand? All right. So this morning I'm going to be standing with my brethren Evi Pukupu because we've got our social media feature for the day. So let me jump over here in the studio and let me bring that up for you. We're going to take a listen to Evi Pukupu, Joan Kenzie, and Evi Royal as they present this little skit that they prepared for TikTok, I believe. So let's watch it together.
G, good girl, Gladys. What's up?
Imagine
Me there at church only and me left a piece. If so kind of put on the pot here. And me a wait for to come do everything.
I leave it.
Where you mean you leaving?
I leave in.
Go where?
Gladys, I leave in.
Go where?
I leave. I'm waiting on the Uber. I leave in.
Where you going?
Me tell you for Black Magnus. And you're there talking to him round in a corner. Him?
You don't me to hold for this and I don't come back with this again.
You tell me say you block him, you know.
But I block him. I block him from my brain.
So I'm calling him. And I call you G. Good girl, Gladys.
Listen me, I'm from
I'm not good. I'm not.
I'm from me a little picking him. I call me so you know. As me and him grow together, how much time I go and tell you that?
One fire stick easy to catch.
This the one that I'm going to catch, man. Easy yourself.
I'm the same day leaf go with my bottom.
Come help me. And put up.
I'm waiting on my Uber. Leave in. That is why you could do this to me.
Gilbert and Gilbert. Someone make you blow up and I blow down all banana tree, everything. What's the problem? First, me and you no cussing at 20 years. This something wrong. What's the problem?
Bun antenna bung.
Cheese. No cheese.
No cheese. Oh, good.
But Lord Jesus, man. Then, so what would I cause this?
Magnus, man. Magnus, we catch her and talk to Magnus.
Chat him out,
She
Magnus.
can't look at me, you know. Because she know I shoot me and talk.
That is a truth. Oh, you fit talk to Magnus. I can't trust Magnus.
Magnus, why you say so? We can't trust him.
Magnus chat too much and Magnus carry too much news.
Yeah.
So, it look like a that. Over here, on phone.
And the whole community have a talk about good.
No, I was helping him. I was helping him with Japheth, you know, because you know Japheth over there ruling him. So I was helping him with him.
Okay.
Okay.
Who is Japheth?
He's still little son. Yeah, man. I want to go bad breed, you know. Yeah, man. So me say, make a call him. Low Magnus and he picking him.
Yes. And she
Gladys, you are no stepmama. Low Magnus and he picking him. And focus on your husband. You not go to church. You don't feel live right. Act right.
Thank you, Antenna. Because I'm the longest bond this ever be a killer.
No, man. Gilbert. But you lose your powers, man. It look like you lose your powers, man. What could that be the problem? What could that be the problem? Wait, man. At the pink cap, man. Take care.
You know it's all time high. Some shot need and say ATH. And when Roddy G play, people get better and walk out a KPH. A buckle.
And you know this is tough like iron. Roddy G, play big tune. Ooh,
That's my friend Evi Puku.
Puku poo. And the build tough like iron. You know representing for Roddy G.
Although I've seen some retracement to never replace me. Unconditional love.
That is it.
Let's celebrate with the highest of grace.
Roddy G, the greatest around.
Roddy G broke the resistance. He's at an all-time high.
All-time high.
Roll up a spliff, let's put it in the sky. Roddy G broke the resistance. He's at an all-time high.
Talk to them tough like iron.
Roll up a spliff, let's
Roddy G.
put it in the sky.
Your body.
Yo, Roddy G. You caught me at a low. Way before I hopped up out the gym to dojo. They thought I'd be in slow-mo. Roddy just laugh and roll a spliff, cause who no.
Yeah, easy like that.
And now the profits just a grow. Roddy G, I take it global. Most people would have been fold, but Roddy stayed down like 10 toes.
Tough like iron.
These my friends, stuff like iron, Evie Puko. 38 minutes after 7. We start with some reggae music now.
Although I've seen some retracement, you never replace me. Unconditional love. So let's celebrate with the highest of grace. Broke the resistance, I'm at an all-time high. All-time high. Roll up a split, let's put it in the sky. We broke the resistance, I'm at an all-time high. All-time high. The love that you give me, keep me in the sky. You got me at a low. Way before I hopped up out the gym to dojo. They thought I'd be in slow-mo. We just laugh and roll a spliff, cause who no. And now the profits just a grow. They seen us take it global. Most people would have been fold.
And let's say good morning to Simonese.
Broke the resistance, I'm at an all-time high. Roll up a split, let's put it in the sky. We broke the resistance, I'm at an all-time high. The love that you give me, keep me in the sky.
Tough like iron and poco. With a love so high and non-fungible. Like Nelson Mandela to Shaka Zulu. If you are 80, me a voodoo. I like this a fine. Makes me feel so damn alive. A love like this a fine. Goes way deeper than I express my mind.
I say welcome the Lone Ranger, but I'm no stranger, yeah. Touch ever burning flames, ever living fire. And the fire burning down, yeah. Cause as me wake, Kusha float out a minas. Give praises with some. I say welcome the Lone Ranger, but I'm no stranger, yeah.
Roddy G is your morning man.
And the fire burning down, yeah. Cause as me wake, Kusha float out a minas. Give praises with some culture, ringing loud out of the box. Pagan alone a ball, I say, oh, early fire at them. No, me no mix up with corruption, and that's why me grow me lax. Ready for touch your earth, fi spread it up on every block. Khaki suit, Gideon boot, and me tam fi cover me nuts. Royal colours, ice green and gold red with the black. Fi tell the youths put down the gun and stop from fire shot. Babylon not like that. Blasted the hypocrites. Them like when the youths are kill and a drink the rum and a smoke the crack. No demons that take them over, them a commit some dirty act. That's why Pandoti Babylon we bunny trader art. Come on a lion, everyone come be a rebel in the earth. Broke down every barriers and mash up everything. Unity and strength, division now go work. Hey, here still I see I works and big a lion. Everyone come be a rebel in the I say welcome the Lone Ranger, but I'm no stranger.
No better answer, take it from start. And it's not because the artist is on the broadcast, or because him rate the tune. Ever burning touch, what you sing say?
Me wake, Kusha float out a minas. Give praises with some culture, ringing loud out of the box. Pagan alone a ball, I say, oh, early fire at them. No, me no mix up with corruption, and that's why me grow me lax. Ready for touch your earth, fi spread it up on every block. Khaki suit, Gideon boot, and me tam fi cover me nuts. Royal colours, ice green and gold red with the black. fi tell the youths put down the gun and stop from fire shot. Babylon not like that. Blasted hypocrites. Them like when the youths are kill and a drink the rum and a smoke the crack. No demons that take them over, them a commit some dirty act. That's why Pandoti Babylon we burn it red hard. Come on a lion, everyone come be a rebel in the earth. Break down every barriers and mash up everything. Unity and strength, division now go work. Hey, you'll still see I works and be a lion. Everyone come be a rebel in the earth. Break down every barriers and mash up everything. Unity and strength, division now go work.
Shine eye girl, why can't you settle down? It's a cold world. Why do you run?
What else is on the broadcast this morning?
Why can't you settle with me?
The Rastaman upon and check-in.
Shine eye girl, why can't you settle down? It's a cold world. Why do you run around? Shine eye girl, why can't you settle with me?
And good morning to Lady Joan.
Alright then, long time me I beg you, forgive me just a little chance. I'm willing to love you, if happiness is what you want. Tell me what's on your mind, cause I don't want to waste my time, and your love is driving me crazy. I wanna settle down, what do you say? Don't wanna run around, what do you say, girl? I wanna spend with you every day. So come in on me arms and stay. Now run away, shine eye girl. Why can't you settle down? It's a cold world. Why do you run around, shine eye girl? Why can't you settle with me? Yeah, shine eye girl. Why can't you settle down? It's a cold world. Why do you run around, shine eye girl? Shine eye girl, yeah.
I feel the bang bang, say bang bang, say bang bang. Boy, I feel the bang bang, say bang bang, say bang. I lost my man in a fight last night. I caught him cheating with another chick. Getting busy on the couch and the TV light. Guess them never know I'd be back so quick. He was on his back, she was on her knees. And I swear I could hear her say, baby, please. Now he's trying to tell me it's not what it seems. All the neighbors could hear when I started screaming. I said, baby, I ain't mad that you're cheating. I know every man cheats, but for the girls in the world, why such an ugly girl? And don't come tell me you're sorry. That won't make it no easier. Pack your things up and leave. Why with your ugly girl? Oh, 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 yeah. Oh, 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 yeah. Why with your ugly girl? Before she did, before the first touch, before the kiss, before the marriage, before the ring. But we only human, and we have to play the role we're given. I may never be a first lady, but the moral of the story is I'd rather be the girl I put on the side than the woman who cries when you don't come home at night. I'm satisfied with being the girl on the side. I'm an I got this your wife as long as there's equal nights, equal rights and justice. It's too bad. You should now understand the crisis that we face. It's so hard to find a good man nowadays, and all who have a good man will have to share. Can you tell her? Tell her that I'm the perfect matey. Me know she, but she not know me. So we can keep it on the low key. We're both on the side. Then a woman who cries when you don't come home at night. I'm satisfied with being the girl on the side. I'm an I got this your wife as long as there's equal nights, equal rights and justice. If I never
what you want. I hope you get a million girls all around the world, 'cause that's what you want. But over here I'm alright, right? I hear you say you don't like. Good morning. Who you like? So why you all up in my life? We gonna settle down. All our friends have a ring, and she alone look like a clown. So when we gonna settle down? Settle down, settle down. Oh yeah. Got a thing for you, girl. Bring your finger, make me put it on it. Take you out of this world. Single life, no fit, you know that. No, regular, you drop your instep. Just go on like me, no year. Just save up and buy the things, them. Fi surprise you this year. Oh, girl, hear the bells, Lord. Ting-a-ling-a-ling, ting-a-ling-a-ling, whoa. Wedding bells, Lord. Ting-a-ling-a-ling, ting-a-ling-a-ling, oh. I know you're ready, I know you're ready. You're ready for we settle down and start move very steady. Oh, hear the bells in my head. The drum, the bass, guitar strumming tonight. We celebrating everything. We celebrate. If it's your anniversary, your birthday, or just another day, we celebrate. 'Cause we don't wanna worry about wrong or right. So make we just hold our vibes tonight. The reggae music sweet until it feels so nice. Make we just hold our vibes tonight. When tomorrow comes, we'll worry about the things that's on our mind. But tonight we're gonna feel alright. So make me just hold our vibes, just hold our vibes tonight.
Humble so we reach. Look how we are so far, we so long before we reach. And look how we reach. No hungriness in the least. Can't forget the days when we did hungry for a week. Hungry so we reach. Humble so we reach. Get to you so far, we so long before we reach. And look how we reach. No hungriness in the least. Still I put the butter on the bread and proud of it. The crackers where me live pan never tough like my life. The little bit of chiffon when me put night dry rice. Me just give me the vision, so me up high like I. Him put me pan a mission, me no must quite try rice. Somebody said that, them sure said that me nah go make it far. Me so happy if you see the road go take it on. Me mother used to polish the floor and she me get it from work hard. Till me reach me hold them like a leprechaun. Hungry so we reach, hungry so we reach. Look how we are so far, we so long before we reach. And look how we reach, no hungriness in the least. Can't forget the days when we did hungry for a week. Hungry so we reach, hungry so we reach. Get to you, that's so far, we so long before we reach. And look how we reach, no hungriness in the least. Still I put the butter on the bread and proud of it.
Shout outs to all the folks who exercise some humility on their journey to the top. And all the folks who have reached a level and remain humble. Big up the eye themselves, you know. Respect we say all the while. No disrespect, no taking advantage of people. You understand? No belittling each other. But I notice I'm not seeing a response to the argument. What's your take on the DEI situation? You have no opinion? Never heard about it before? Tell me. Are you just reserving your opinion? You don't feel to share it in public? Then how we're going to effect change if we just all keep quiet and allow a few people to make noise? No, man, we have to win for the conversation. Put it out there in the universe. You never know. Yeah, man. Let's be bold. Let's be positive this morning. Let's stand for something. We're going to claim the victory, you know. Yeah, man, we're going to claim the victory. Up comes your next election. Engine Sasko, Choir. Title of this one, the most victory.
Eternal Father, thanks for the blessings. I'm on the Father God, your sun not shine, so we know you're raining. You are the pilot when we fly, the captain when we sailing. You are the wind beneath the wings, that's why we prevailing. Eternal Father still a reign, that's why we hailing. When over victory lap, everybody railing. Them see we win the medal, but them never see the training. Placed in at the race, so God the race is so amazing. For y'all what you provide and the fresh air, baby.
Alright, so there we go. Smith Jam weighing in on the conversation. Smith Jam said never heard about it before. Alright, so the whole weekend my social media was a buzz about this boycott which supposedly happened with the Walmart stores. And it's not supposedly, apparently it happened. Black Friday, nobody never patronized Walmart, or a handful of people still patronize Walmart because of this DEI policy, diversity, equity, inclusion policy that they were implementing. And because of the boycott, they might go roll it back. So as it suggests, diversity, equity, and inclusion policy, it seems to build a system of inclusion. It makes sure people of minority are included consciously, policy-wise included in workplace decision making. So in terms of hiring, they make sure them hire enough black people, they make sure them hire enough Latinos, they make sure them hire, women, they make sure the pay scale, there's no injustice between pay scale for men versus women, and it go on for just try and level the playing field. Right? That is what the policy seeks to do. It is coming from the affirmative action policy. You know about that? The affirmative action policy? That is where them say, boy, like for school in particular, this was the main example used, where the affirmative action policy was definitely in place. Black people couldn't be shunned from school. As in fact, administrations had to pay particular attention to the number of black students who were enrolled and make sure them award spaces to black students. So, yeah. The schools couldn't discriminate and say, boy, you're black, you can't come here, so. Affirmative action sought to institutionalize the fact that blacks had a right to attend these colleges. So that in other schools, and this diversity, equity, inclusion program is not a new thing. It's been around for a while, but somehow some brother get up the other day or a little while back and say, boy, this is racist and it discriminate, and it is saying that by default black people are, what's the word I'm looking for? You know that word that we may look for, don't? Victims. Yeah, keep it simple. That by default we are saying that black people are victims and we need to build a system because we need to help them up and them can't help themselves. That's the argument that was put forward for the cessation of the DEI policy. My question to you, is that how you understand it? What's your point on it? What's your take on it? Go play some music, y'all. Look forward to your comments. Take a little read, man. Do not follow the social media influencers. They're sensationalizing the issue and it now go help.
I'm on the Father God, your sun not shine, so we know you're raining. You are the pilot when we fly, the captain when we sailing. You are the wind beneath the wings, that's why we prevailing. Eternal Father still a reign, that's why we hailing. When over victory lap, everybody railing. Them see we win the medal, but them never see the training. Placed in at the race, so God the race is so amazing. For y'all what you provide and the fresh air, baby, inhaling. Oh yeah, it's another victory. It's another victory. Whoa, 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 yeah, you will have to give the glory.
Hey, big shout out to Nigel, Mr. Burrell on the check-in.
Oh, yeah, it's another victory. Mm-hmm. Oh, every day we're making it stop.
Hey, Gassy, up full, my brother.
I'm on say anytime I wake up, yes, it's like we win a trophy. Walking like a double up, some I say we bouncy. Now go lose no sleep for what them think or say about me. One for see we fall, I must the one that done a out me. Lick about the Salama, love it when them does me. Father got the people side and we not playing about it. I'm from the top of Blue Mountain, no we are shorty. When them use we style, them a promote me. Tell them now, oh yeah, it's another victory. It's another victory. Whoa, whoa, whoa. every day we make it this story.
Praises be to the Almighty, my Creator. I will exalt you, Jehovah. Above you there is no other. Praises be to the Almighty, my Protector. In my going out and my coming in, no weapon formed could I ever win. Glory to our Heavenly Father, and hallowed be thy name. Your mercy endures forever, from yesterday and today it remains. I will exalt you forever.
Good morning,
my Father and friend. Unconditional love to me, you always extend it. So I give praises be to the Almighty, my Creator. I will exalt you, Jehovah. Above you there is no other. Praises be to the Almighty, my Protector. In my going out and my coming in, no weapon found could I ever win.
Heartbroken and I can't find parts to put it back together. I don't know where to start. Mankind so evil when you give them your last. Then we sell you out and want to feed you to dance, yes. But mama always told me, don't wear your heart on your sleeve, cause mankind them don't will never leave your heart door open for them to take disadvantage. Them no have no conscience, wanna bring you down to ground. Father God, now give them consent to drain out my strength. They wanna bring me down. Me ask you, strive with me, Jaja, strive with me. Fight against those who fight with me. I see my enemies a smile with me. Jaja, beg you, strive with me.
And you know what, no work, but you need my money. Run off my bank account like say you take me for a dummy. I just can't take it anymore. Work my fingers to the bone just to feel your tummy. Hey, you are the bees that tummy, I give the honey. Take your time and go through that door. You got to bring something to the table. Something pretty close and a ringing at your navel. That's nothing. Once you can do for me, then I'm gonna do for you. If you're gonna stay with me, hey, well, a reference, don't play with me.
It's easy to remember, but so hard to forget the day you walked out of my life, baby. I thought you'd be in paradise by the way you made so much noise and follow all your silly friends' advice. But baby, now you're boxing over here and I need it over there. You're boxing all over the place, baby. I tell you, you're boxing over here and you're boxing over there. I know I need it. You're boxing all over the place. Please call the physician for me tonight. I need fixing, me feel lonely. I want some loving and my bed is empty. I need my medicine right away. Whoa. I know I need it now. Please call the physician for me tonight. I need fixing, me feel lonely. I want some loving and my bed is empty. I need my medicine right away. Boy, write a prescription for me. I need effective care, come treat me slowly. Can't do without my dependency. I need your touch every day.
No, it looked like somebody called Stacey name a while ago. How she running hot so? Somebody called Melissa name a while ago. I want to go on with that song, yeah.
Please call the physician for me tonight. I need fixing, me feel lonely. I want some loving and my bed is empty. I need my medicine right away. Boy, write a prescription for me. I need effective care, come treat me slowly. Can't do without my dependency. I need your touch every day. Boy, I'm calling for the Lord.
need some healing. I've got to see the love doctor. Oh boy. Cause right now I'm in my feelings. Well, I'm tired and sick of love songs. Been hugging up my pillows for too long. My body's craving some good loving. Someone to compliment my mood when it's raining. I don't wanna be lonely. Hey, Mr. Lay it on me. I need my specialist to sort me out. Ooh, I'm calling on the love doctor. Love doctor. Cause tonight I need some healing. I've got to see the love doctor. Oh, boy. That's right now I'm in my feelings.
If you don't pick up the phone this time, I'ma call 911. That's all my body is calling you. My love, I wanted to be cool, but you played me like a fool. I know you're strumming my pain, strumming my pain. I keep waiting in vain for you. Hey. Round and round and round, here we go. Pull my heart and then you let go. Round and round, I need to let go. Fool's love it is for sure. Round and round and round, here we go. Pull my heart and then you let go. Round and round, I need to let go. Fool's love it is for sure. I keep telling you. DJ Roddy, are you on the town? If you don't pull up this tune one time, I'ma call 911. That's all my body's calling you. DJ Roddy, I wanted to. DJ
Roddy G is your morning man.
If you don't pull up this tune one time, I'ma call 911. That's all my body's calling you. DJ Roddy, I wanted to be cool, but you played me like a fool. And now you're strumming my pain, strumming my pain. I keep waiting in vain for you. DJ Roddy, this song goes round and round all night long. DJ Roddy, you are the one. Round and round, no need to let go. DJ Roddy win for sure. Round and round all night long. DJ Roddy, you run the town. Round and round, no need to let go. Sweet tunes I play for sure. I
fair. Put your house on up for sale. Did you get a good lawyer? I hope you didn't catch a tan. Hope you find the right girl who'll fix it for you. Are you shopping anywhere? Change the color of your hair. Are you busy? Did you have to pay the fine that you were dodging all the time? I hear you still busy. Since I'm coming home, well, my body's been a mess, and I miss your nappy hair and the way you like to dress. So won't you come on over and stop making a fool out of me? Why don't you come on over, John?
Baby, I wish you could just pick up your phone and talk to me. Baby, say something. Just say something. Answer your phone now. You not see me, I call you. Why are you breaking my heart? Why are you breaking my heart? Baby, I thought I told you I never wanna let go. I don't wanna be apart. I don't wanna be apart. I'm up thinking about you. Busy on my side, I know you're busy on your ends too. If I'm serious, I'm 100 in this with you. How dare you say I make no time for you? I'm here whenever you need me. My love won't go away. Yes, boy, you better believe me. My love is here to stay. Answer your phone now. You not see me, I call you. Why are you breaking my heart? Why are you breaking my heart? Baby, I thought I told you I never wanna let go. I don't wanna be apart. I don't wanna be apart.
Stop seeing with your eyes. Start seeing with your minds. Look beyond the surface. Life is perfect. Instead of blaming someone else, take a look within yourself. Unveil the curtains. You'll find doors open. Give thanks in everything. The gift of life is a blessing, and all that comes with it will reveal itself in time. Life is a journey. Every man has his own story, and everything works together for good when we learn to make the right choice. Stop seeing with your eyes. Start seeing with your minds. Look beyond the surface. Life is perfect. Instead of blaming someone else, take a look within yourself. Unveil the curtains. You find doors open.
See, life got struggle, life got problems. Don't you be tired of it? Dig into it, make your sacrifice. Yeah, life got struggles. This life got problems. Dig into it, don't give up, no. You can tell the world about this. Bingy man straight, never doubt it. In a this rat race, courageous. Seems like we gon' need another Moses. Yeah, stay firm on the rocky out there. Check yourself before you make a move. Yo, bless. Stay firm on the rocky out there. Good health and family, no stress. Yes. The world no promise nothing to no man. You have to go get it, you will make it with a plan. Many places you to go, put something in a hand. See everything to lose, but you have to stay strong. Right now the children need nicks and knocks. On top of that, the youths them for reach on top. Bigger heads now, no patience when it come to the tax. You see my woman at home, she need food to the pot. Stay firm on the rocky out there. Check yourself before you make a move. You're blessed. Stay firm firm and the rocky out there. Good health and tight family, no stress. Stay firm and the rocky out there. Check yourself before you make a move. You're blessed. Stay firm and the rocky out there. Good health and family. Yeah.
It's why them fighting. Judging your blessings ignited.
This is the sounds of the man behind the project. Sounds of Gassy Inc. Hey, Gassy, big up, you know.
Well, I said 10. If you're talking about numbers, then let me see the hands. Then we're really genuine. Talking about friends are real to the end. And when your back turn, your dignity them defend. But for some.
Now, can I take this opportunity to revisit a little situation that came to light recently? Now I'm gonna talk cause if you don't know me, you're not gonna get to know me. So I played a song a few weeks ago, a couple days ago, and I had a comment about the content of the song. People you don't know, so the people them take offense and take with themselves. And I'm not sure if it is the artist who has an issue with what I had to say, or if it's the management. But managers, be careful. Don't mismanage. Don't do damage. Because as a manager, if you go around offending these jockeys and anybody who says anything about your artist song that you don't like, you will find that even when the artist put out a likable song, just because of your mismanagement, just because of your damage, your artist not get no support. So careful. This music industry, as I've learned in a very short while, is very delicately balanced. So don't mismanage, don't cause no damage, alright? If a selector have an opinion about your artist song where you don't like, suck it up and smile. Yeah, man. Just say, alright, next one. Now what that song there now for you? Next song, me share it with you, alright? And keep it moving. Well, that's how I am. Because I wouldn't think that the person would have me up over my opinion. Not every song that is put to road that I'm gonna like. Gassy know that. Gassy, I'm a brethren. You know how much music Gassy give me? Gassy, hear me play some of them. Him nobody ask me about the rest of them when I don't play. Him just keep on sending me the music. Roddy, listen that one here. Listen that one here, Roddy. That's all him do. Him never once get vexed and say, hey, you see the one, Roddy? Man, I put out music and him a go on like, no, not everybody have to like everything where you put out. Nah. So let's go and put out where you put out. And what resonate with a certain set of people will get the love and support. And if our next song no resonate with them, I just saw. And every song will come out of the studio I hit, you know. You don't know that. And in media, I do believe no publicity is bad publicity. You know what that nice now? If I call the artist name. Everybody right now would have go listen to the song when I talk about and I say, boy, Roddy, you mark too hard. Or they would have said, yeah, Roddy, that song they really not make it. But guess what? They would have gone and given your artist an ear. But you see me smart? I'm not even going to call your artist name. So go easy. Oh. Alright, I get that off of my chest. I don't think I'm going to revisit that situation there again. Unless somebody bring it up on them, I have to teach them again.
It's why them fighting. Judging your blessings ignited. They will never stop my horizon. Jah, your blessings keep on flowing. Well, I said 10. If you're talking about numbers, then let me see the hands. Then we're really genuine. Talking about friends are real to the end.
Hey, my friend Patricia is on the check-in. She says, hello, Roddy. Good morning. I can't comment on your show music and can please tell everyone that I can't comment. I have to wait to come back to normal. Yes, Patricia, we'll miss you. You know who else I miss? Long Belly. Where's Long Belly? Has anyone seen Long Belly? Patricia is here, but she can't comment. Thanks for joining, Pat.
Think it's me need a two-piece fit. Good morning. Yes. It's why them fighting. Judging your blessings ignited. They will never stop my horizon. Jah, your blessings keep on flowing. Well, I said 10. If you're talking about numbers, then let me see the hands. Then we're really genuine. Talking about friends are real to the end. And when your back turn, your dignity them defend. But
out for some. Me keep my circle small like a pint. Them a longer worth the benefit of me time. Me give me last. Them crucify me from behind. I guess I just the art of mankind. So no when you try to embrace me with your smart face. I ain't a gonna drop my guard. No, me keep it smart. Me keep me on. Just in case me need a two-piece. Fit the dirty smirk when they wear upon them face. Hypocrite, dirty mind, dirty heart. You give your last, and your life them want to erase. Bad mind a fight for space, but while them fighting, judge your blessings as she works. They will never stop my rising. Judge your blessings keep on flowing. While them fighting, judge your blessings igniting. They will never stop my rising. Judge your blessings keep on flowing.
He said that a deep plan, what a money man. Not take no talk from not a one. She love the Gucci, the Brazilian. So figure night, she say got 30 grand. She don't want no broke boys, money a fi strong. To me it's like she need a motherland. And she keep selling herself away. Say she don't know no other way. And now she bringing to the table. It's just it. And I thought it's so unstable. But for the money she willing and able. She just a pimpers paradise. Whoa. Can be yours for just one night. If the price is right, yeah. She's just a pimpers paradise. Whoa. Don't fall in love, you're out your mind. Because she's not that tight. Hey, yam dashing with the cocoa. Farmer man no ramp fi walk like a boat. Say she want the Roddy G. Wanting walk pan island, so she request the Roddy G. She say him fit and him strong. Yeah man, I thought I represent for Roddy G with the girls them plan, the real farmer man. Me say the daughter say she got a piece of land, so she been searching for the farmer man. We keep on care and cultivate the land. Listen me no man. Hey, yam dashing with the cocoa. Farmer man no ramp fi walk like a moto. And so she check farmer man. She got a piece of land and then she want fi know the blowing at the farm go. We introduce her to the lettuce and the fruits. In a blender, her belly full of the juice. Round her back well preserving at the roots. Draft the last and the big water boot. So she request the farmer man. Want him walk on her land, so she request the farmer man. She say him fit and him strong, so she drop it the farmer man. Want him walk on her land, so she request the farmer man. Request the farmer man. She want the garden blow with the farmer fuck. She get cocoa when she ride and start chop up. Pan her side she want the plant type of plant. Make water run down and can lock up. Want it no one. Me say the daughter say she got a piece of land. So she been.
No, I don't know if touch know how bad that song a bit. I want to listen to the lyrics in that song again. This is what I want now.
Hey, yam dashing with the cocoa. Farmer man no ramp fi walk like a moto. And so she check farmer man. She got a piece of land and then she want fi know the blowing at the farm go. We introduce her to the lettuce and the fruits. In a blender, her belly full of the juice. Round her back well preserving at the roots. Draft the last and the big water boot. So she request the farmer man. Want him walk on her land, so she request the farmer man. She say him fit and him strong, so she drop it the farmer man. Want him walk on her land, so she request the farmer man. Request the farmer man. She want the garden blow with the farmer fuck. She get cocoa when she ride and start chop up. Pan her side she want the plant type of plant. Make water run down and can lock off. Want it no one she nah go take no talk. Lamb sugar cane yes I that marijuana yard. From the man go plant from Julie farm. Pumpkin make off a west banana walk. So she a request. Say the daughter say she got a piece of land.
Oh, that's how you're bad.
Been searching for the farmer man.
Big up to all of the farmer them.
Cultivate the land. Listen me no man. Hey, yam dash cocoa. Farmer man no ramp fi walk like a moto. And so she check farmer man. She got a piece of land and then she want fi know the blowing at the farm go. Him introduce her to the lettuce and the fruits. In a blender, a belly full of the juice. Round her back well preserving got the roots. Draw for the last and the big.
Sherry Stark, no.
She request the farmer man. Want him walk on her land, so she request the farmer man. She say him fit and him strong, so she drop it the farmer man. Want him walk on her land, so she request the farmer man. Request the farmer man. She want the garden plow with the farmer farm. She get cocoa when she ride and start chop off. Pan her side she want the plant type of plant. Make water run down and can lock off. Want it no one she nah go take no talk. Lamb sugar cane yes I that marijuana yard. From the man go plant pan Julie farm. Pumpkin make off a when banana walk. So she a request the farmer man. Want him walk on her land, so she request the farmer man. She say him fit and him strong, so she drop it the farmer man. Want him walk on her land, so she drop it the farmer man. Request the farmer man. Hey, every man the farmer, him don't got no time for snooze. And the farmer don't mind sleeping at the water boot. In the blood like some farmer and no choker tooth. But out in her farm and dig deep like a fiber road. From she get the farmer man. Want him walk on her land, so she request the farmer man. She say him fit and him strong, so she drop it the farmer man. Want him walk on her land, so she request the farmer man. Request the farmer man.
Roddy G, if you told me that you need me, I'm your one and only. Never leave you lonely.
Good morning.
This is Abby Dallas representing for the one and only Roddy G. What was that?
Your love has really, really got me, baby. Your touch has really, really got me, baby. Roddy G, if you told me that you need me, I'm your one and only. Never leave you lonely. If you said that I'm your heartbeat, give your love to me only, I will stand right by you.
Roddy G, if you're loving this not a show, proof it now, come and really, really have to know. Tired now, we ain't not going to attend bed. Pulling on me, y'all, but for us on my bed. Never knew how we could have feel this way. Need you like how the pot, I need him clear. Once you treat me right, I never go astray. Roddy G, Roddy G, Roddy G, Roddy G.
Thing called Roddy G, a real general. This a yes from the east. Yes it. Roddy G, a we them after. Bossa Blanca, don't know ya the vibes master. Honey. Now here comes the thing called Roddy G, a real general. This a yes from the east. Yes it. Roddy G, we them after. Bossa Blanca, don't know ya the vibes master. Pan the corner, we are on the rhythm proper. So Bossa Blanca, music is medicinal. So play me song, play me song, play me song.
So for all the artists, producers, people in the music business who want to get in touch, let's use up the email. It is djroddyg@gmail. Simple. Yeah man, that's the handle you use on almost every social media platform. Follow me over on the gram using @DJRODDYG. You know the YouTube channel @DJRODDYG. Yeah, on TikTok, say it @DJRODDYG. And for the email, DJRODDYG@gmail.com. So shout outs to everybody over there at See Jamaica Live. Thank you so much for checking in on the broadcast. For the folks over there at BlackScorpionEnterprise.com, good morning to you. People on my own YouTube channel, pick up the item self. People on the Facebook feed. Hey, Facebook, get used to this. Listen, hold on. Let me turn off my headphone a little bit. So for the folks on the Facebook feed, I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm gonna be cutting off the Facebook Live because guess what now? It don't really make sense after the show done. I appreciate love each and every one of you, but I'm gonna say something. I don't want to listen to me keenly. I am also streaming on Twitch. Now, you know, I have a concern with music copyright and making sure that everybody gets what they need to get, right? There are two platforms that supposedly take care of the artists when you stream their music. Mixcloud, which I am on. I've paid my subscription for Mixcloud, and I should be able to legitimately broadcast on Mixcloud. And Twitch. Twitch takes care of copyright issues. Now, for the mileage out of the music, I do a visual presentation because I want you to be able to capture the visuals and share it on your social media. When I stream on Facebook, you know, say 45 minutes after the stream done, if not instantly, the audio is muted. So it don't make no sense. So all of the messages, all of that, it not gonna mean anything on Facebook. But here the problem with Twitch now, I'm not seeing where Twitch allows the video to stay up after the broadcast. It takes care of the copyrights, but I don't see the video being kept on the Twitch platform. So I'll have to look into that, but it is definitely available on the YouTube platform. It is available at DJ RODDYG. Similarly, See Jamaica Live doesn't keep it in their archives, and that's okay. But you can find the video at DJ RODDYG on YouTube. Alright, so for all of the artists them who want to capture the content and share it on your social media platform, as you should, that's where you find it after the show, alright? So, in a few days, I'll probably be phasing out the Facebook feed. So I really want folks on Facebook, get used to those other platforms, get used to Twitch. I know it's kind of annoying if you sign up for these accounts. But do it because a lot of you are in the music business. And so you should be supporting the platforms that support you. Go check out Twitch. See if a foolishness may talk, but as far as I'm aware, Twitch does take care of your copyrights, and that is something that is of interest to you. Say yes. So support the channels that support you, alright? Yeah, man. And I could just do the right thing. If Facebook now support the musician them the real way, and if Facebook now support the DJs in a meaningful way, then we have to go where we're supported, right? Where we're welcome. And so far, I'm seeing that over Mixcloud. I'm seeing that on YouTube. Big up to YouTube. Yeah, YouTube have a license with ASCAP and BMI that allows me to play music on here. Few songs might get blocked, but for the most part, them just claim the copyright content, and the video stays up. So, know the platform them where I support you and get familiar with them, alright?
Nowhere comes the thing called Roddy G, a real general. This a Yeza from the east. Yazit. Roddy G, we them after. Bossa Blanca, don't know ya the vibes master. Pan the corner, we are on the rhythm proper. So Bossa Blanca, music is medicinal. So play me song, why you acting like you never want? Residual, know the maths before you start to talk. Me general, keep it stepping cause we vigilant. We vigilant when we rally up the fire squad. Ring the alarm, chatty mouth, you full of fraud. So give me pass, Roddy G, I play the big.
No, hold on. I'm sorry, me never see Lady comment when Farmer Man did that play. Lady, make a stay. Lady, you know say that we can people. Wanna see Lady comment? Me soon play the music. Me just ask on her. 31 minutes after 8 o'clock. In fact, a time for me change the beat, you know. But more ask on a question. Wanna see Lady comment? Lady comment. I'm going to make some early morning trouble with this statement as I listen to the music, but I'm going to say it anyway. It's a good feeling that I'm retired and I don't have to go to anyone's work site. I do things on my own terms. Lady, they are so my mind work while it you know. It can go down in the gutter and it can stay up on the high road. So people wanna help me decipher what Lady I try to say. Lady, what you mean by you do things on your own terms? It reminds me of one joke, right? A man and woman live in a house And, you know, woman get broad round her back and she pass the man one day and the man say, "Whoa, machine they get large, man." You understand? And she say, "What you talk about?" And him smartly, based on the look on her face, him smartly say, "You know, say the washing machine me I talk about." So later in the night now, you know, feelings come down. And the man say, "Well, babes, me can put in a little load in my machine." Wife just look at him and say, "That's one small load. Me don't need that right now. That can hand wash." So you know, say him dep on him own. Boy, lady, I wonder for them situation that you talk about. You dep on your own, lady. You deal with things by your own time, your own way. I don't know. Interpretation. 33 minutes after 8 o'clock, I'm going to behave myself and play some more music. It is our feature segment. This is where I feature music that come out from the artists, them who they in the stream, who they in the circle, who are my associate them, who are my friend them. And right now we have to big up the Duke, you know, because that one is bad. That one come out for the album Tapestry, and it has gone good. The reception has been overwhelming, and so I enjoy playing this one for the masses. This is Suspicion, Sparky Melody in the morning.
Why torture me, baby? Why torture me? Every time you kiss me, I'm still not certain that you love me. Every time you hold me, I'm still not certain that you care. Though you keep on saying you really, really, really love me. Say the same thing to someone else when I'm not there. Torments my heart, keeps us apart. Why torture me?
Roddy G is your morning man.
Why torture me? Every time you kiss me, I'm still not certain that you love me. Every time you hold me, I'm still not certain that you care. Though you keep on saying you really, really, really love me. Do you say the same thing to someone else when I'm not there? Torments my heart, keeps us apart. Why torture me? Every time you call me and tell me we should meet tomorrow, I can't help but think that you are meeting someone else tonight. Why should our romance just keep on causing me such sorrow? Why am I so doubtful whenever you are out of sight? Torments my heart, keeps us apart. Why torture me? Darling, if you love me, I beg you wait a little longer.
Why? Just because Christine acts so nicely. And because it's a big song. Sparky Melody, Suspicion. They call him the Duke. Listen.
Every time you kiss me, I'm still not certain that you love me. Every time you hold me, I'm still not certain that you care. Though you keep on saying you really, really, really love me. Do you say the same thing to someone else when I'm not there? Torments my heart, keeps us apart. Why torture me? Every time you call me and tell me we should meet tomorrow, I can't help but think that you are meeting someone else tonight. Why should our romance just keep on causing me such sorrow? Why am I so doubtful whenever you are out of sight? Torments my heart, keeps us apart. Why torture me? wait a little longer. Wait until I drive all these foolish fears out of my mind. Why should our romance just keep on causing me such sorrow? Maybe I'm suspicious cause your love is so hard to find. Suspicion torments my heart. Suspicion keeps us apart. Suspicion why torture me?
Sounds of the Duke, Sparky Melody. Suspicion, the title. Hey, big up DJ Terran on the Twitch tech check-in.
Every time you kiss me, I'm still not certain that you love me. Every time you hold me, I'm still not certain that you care. Though you keep on saying you really, really, really love me. Do you say the same thing to someone else?
Yeah. I hear you telling everybody how you glad I'm gone.
There's just something about them two songs, yeah. I can't play one and don't play the other. Yeah. No, them two tune, yeah. This one comes from my brother, the governor. Sparky dub him the governor, you know. Hey, them think they make me all rate Sparky one more time, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, Sparky just give off a vibe, him have a clean heart, you understand? That make me appreciate love all the music more. This is the sounds of the governor, Mr. Keith Cole.
I hear you telling everybody how you glad I'm gone. Did you tell them how you cry whenever you're all alone? We know for both of us there will never be another. So forget your foolish pride. Let's get back together. Who cares who was right or wrong? Right or wrong? I just know I miss you, and by your side is where I belong. Do you miss me a little bit, baby? 'Cause I'm missing you. I'm missing you. Yeah.
Miss you, girl, miss you.
You said if you take me back, people will call you a fool. Deep down in your heart, you miss me as I miss you. The only thing you're trying to do is making things tougher. The only thing you're trying to do is making towards suffer. Who cares who is right or wrong? Right or wrong? I just know I miss you, and by your side is where I belong. Do you miss me a little bit, baby? 'Cause I'm missing you. I'm missing you. Yeah. You said if you take me back, people will call you a fool. Deep down in your heart, you miss me as I miss you. The only thing you're trying to do is making things tougher. The only thing you're trying to do now is making towards suffer. So listen, who cares who was right or wrong? Right or wrong, I just know I miss you, and by your side is where I belong. Do you miss me a little bit, baby? 'Cause I'm missing you.
No, on the talk truth, on the DJ bad more time, don't. Him just know when to just strip out the rhythm and the melodies and just make you hear the vocals and the drums, don't. You hear our Keith voice strong in the song. Hey, big up Keith Cole every time, you know. Inside a segment where I highlight the music, I'm a good friend them. Me associate them, my family them. Yeah, man. Need a sponsor for that segment, yeah. We need a sponsor for that segment, yeah. This is the segment where we just send some music around, you understand? And now it's coming to you. Long overdue. Another song from a Virgin Gassy Inc. I'm so glad for having him on the broadcast this morning that me going to feature Gassy Inc. music. Hey, Gassy, big up yourself, big up the entire Barrett family, big up the whole of Portmore and place over there, so the whole of Brittany, understand? Big up the eye themselves. Yeah, man, we're so glad to have Gassy on the broadcast this morning that we're going to share some more music from Gassy. This one in collaboration with Janelle. Take a listen.
Good morning.
Hold on, I'm going to tell you about myself. You know, somebody plan for play the Gassy Inc. Janelle 101. But that one, the rendition, I put your arms around me. Sorry about that, people. Me get carried away a while ago. Me did plan for play the Janelle. Me go play the Janelle. But first, we're going to listen to that one here. All right, so here we go. Cheese and peeps. I'm sure I'm glad to Gassy up on the broadcast. Can't contain the excitement, you understand? Yeah, man, I know every day enjoy the broadcast, you know, so when him there, I will celebrate with him.
Girl, put your arms around me and never let go. Girl, take your arms and bound me. I need you so. Sitting in the darkness of my lonely room, wondering how I'm ever in my groove. Suddenly, girl, you appear. Now I can see light almost everywhere. See, I got so much to be thankful for. After the way I treated you, I never thought I'll see you again. Now here you are. Girl, put your arms around me and never let go. Girl, take your arms and bound me. I need you so. Girl, put your arms around me and never let go. I'm trying to figure out what's been wrong with my mind. Cause how could I ever put it down so many times? I must have been sleeping to hurt someone like you. Cause I was guaranteed a love that's very true. See, I try to understand how sad life can be without a warm love, especially one so sweet and kind. You're so good for me. Girl, put your arms around me and never let go. Girl, take your arms and bound me. I need you so. Girl, put your arms around me and never let go. I see the light and I'm willing to take it on. Oh girl, I'll take a chance and risk it all. Cause I like you. I know you got your man, I got my woman, but I feel like we're compatible. Now I have a page of Uncle Berry's novel, Double Trouble. I'm willing to risk it all, just because I like you. You got the smile that every man likes, and you give that feeling that keeps me alive. And so I gladly take a chance and risk it all, cause I love the vibe you give me when I'm with you. Woman, this is not a cheating thing, there is no guarantee, but I love the vibes you give. This is not a courteous thing, it's just the joy you bring. I love the vibes you give. This is
exactly what you're feeling. Cause deep in my heart, boy, I'm feeling the same thing. I know you got your woman, and I got my man. Like Auntie Mars, you feel like jumping whenever I see you, boy. This is not a cheating thing, there is no guarantee, but I love the vibes you bring. This is not a courteous thing, it's just a joy you bring. I love the vibes you give. This is not a cheating thing, there is no guarantee, but I love the vibes you bring. No courteous thing, the joy you bring. I love the vibes you give. We'll take the chance and dance 101. We'll take the words and the melodies and dance to our song. We'll take the chance and dance 101. We'll take the words and the melodies and dance to our song. This is not a cheating thing, there is no guarantee, but I love the vibes you give. This is not a courteous thing, it's just a joy you bring. I love the vibes you give. This is not a cheating thing, there is no guarantee. I love the vibes you give. No courteous thing, the joy you bring. I love the vibes you give. I'll take a chance and risk it all, cause I like you. I know you got your man, I got my woman, but I feel like we're compatible.
Yes, a little one dance situation. A little 101. Yeah, how that you say? How many times do you have to be with somebody before are you on them there? Once, twice, 3 times? You know, I worked with a brethren, Kenny Myers. Kenny told me many years ago. Big up to Kenny anyway I'm there. I think him there somewhere over Canada. Big up Kenny anyway I'm there. Kenny tell me, say, Roddy, if you meet a girl and you and her link up 2 times, that's the limit. Because if you go 3rd time, feelings are going to catch. And yeah. Would you agree with that statement? After a link up 3 times, I saw it cement. Feelings catch. Can't just forget them again and move on. No one night stand. I go ask Gassy about that something there. Gassy Inc. Chanel 101 is the title of this one. And this one reminds me of another piece of music that came out a few days ago. I think I got it on pre-release. I'm not sure if it's released as yet. Shout out to my brethren them over Ineffable Records. Yeah, man. Adam Grass and the entire team, big up the eye themselves. They sent me this piece of music from Lila Ike featuring Joey Badass. The first time I listened to it, the very first time, my initial reaction to this song, I never liked the first verse. But by the time it reached chorus and 2nd verse, me just say, alright. I'm not sure what happened at the first line of the song or the first few lines of the song. But by the time it got down into the song, I say, oh, it's nice. And that is why I probably didn't play it for you until now. Because upon the weekend, I take a 3rd listen to it, and I say, yeah, and yeah, my opinion is kind of influenced by some people when I listen to the song with. They're like, Roddy, what wrong with you? The song bad. And somehow, like, you know, I take off my bad mind ears, and my good ears, them come to the surface, and I start agree, say, yeah. So I'm going to share it with you this morning. Are you ready? This one is titled Fry Planting. Lila Ike, Joey Badass.
Fry planting for Sunday morning. Fry planting for Sunday morning. It starts spinning time we walking. Fry planting for Sunday morning. Fry planting for Sunday morning. It starts spinning time we walking. Well, bright and ting.
the Sunday morning, I plate of fried plantain. That's what we start with. Deep on the side, we sip that real slow. Mint leaves smell nice, we pick what we grow. Yeah, mountain sides, birds fly by, light blue skies, your deep red eyes. This my kind of vibe. None the neighbor know. Redeem my flow, so we not even box it low, no. And it's my favorite thing. Linking up with you on a Saturday evening. Yeah, yeah. You know I'm loving the vibe. You wanna keep me smiling. Gotta wake up to my fried plantain for Sunday morning. Fried plantain for Sunday morning. It starts spinning time. Oh my, oh my. Fried plantain for Sunday morning. Fried plantain for Sunday morning. It starts spinning one time we walking.
Yeah. You know I love you like cooked food. What a good dude. If you riding with me, baby, ain't no way you could lose. Welcome to the winning team. You could tell me anything and everything will be alright. You could stay with me tonight. Good if that's what you would like. Take a real woman, make her home feel warm inside. Promise I won't bite unless you got a sex appetite. The thought of you keep my mouth watering, can't even lie. Got me feeling for a slice of that apple pie. You the apple of my eye. Wanna drop my Johnny Appleseed in you and grow an apple tree so we can live happily. You like soul food to me, these other girls is Applebee's. That home cooked meal, traditional feel. Cause I believe what we eat got the power to heal or kill. The energy is real and I don't take for granted. Take my hand and let's enjoy the fruits and seeds we planted. Fried plantain by Sunday morning. Head start spin soon as me walk in. Soft brown skin, girl, tell me where you been. Me can't stop a grin and you love me drowning.
Fried plantain for Sunday morning. Fried plantain for Sunday morning. Watch your head start spin when time we walk in. Fried plantain for Sunday morning. Fried plantain for Sunday morning. Hey, your head start spin when time we walk in. Why you give me that fried plantain and breadfruit? Give me my ackee too. You know how I do. Get me like your vibe when you whipping it up in my kitchen. You tough green juice dripping a cup, like a scallion, onion saute. You know you dep on the mission all day. Sharply slice right through. No you not play. Sip like a Chardonnay, so that my want babe. Yeah. Hey, give me my fried plantain every morning. Yeah, you don't know it's going on, baby. Like a breakfast in the morning. Really like seeing in my kitchen, you know. Yeah, so fry up some fried plantain. I kill like a breadfruit. And we even have to do it in the kitchen alone, and we can go to the riverside, you know, bushpad style. Oh gosh.
Yes, he said he found a similar vibe. First time he heard the song, but then it kinda creep up on you. Creep up on a little way. And I see on social media some people say, boy, Jamaicans don't know who. I don't care who Joey Badass is. If him not sound good on a reggae beat, him just don't sound good on a reggae beat. I don't business who him be. Him's a musician like every other musician. Sometimes you hit and win. Sometimes you swing and you miss. Look like him get a little hit on that one, yeah. I don't know. Wanna tell me? I'm not head over heels in love with the song, but it's alright. It's like when them did hype up Praise Jah in the Moonlight. Hey, that did make me burn out the song, you see, man. Because the song did alright, it just never great. And the more people try to tell me say great, and the more I just reject the song. But nowadays, I play it for no regular, don't. Because the hype come off of it. And it drop and find it place among all the songs like how it's supposed to find it place among all the other songs. Nobody tell me cause this a person sing it, make it. No. The person who sing it don't make it great. Is the son of a great musician, yes. That no mean say him inherit that person the greatness. It means means say we ears a little more receptive to him for hear what him a forward with. But him still have to make him own mark. Nobody tell me say, boy, Joey Badass. I don't care who Joey Badass is. Does he sound good on the song? Does the song sound good? Tell me about that. Me no business about him status. Anyway, I digress. In a segment where I feature music from a close friend them, it might not be all brand new music, but I'm a friend them music. I'm a want to hear it. I'm a want to support them. So here comes another one of my good friends.
Wake up in the morning, not even strength to get up in the dawning. Feel me plans them coming like them stalling. Success now run, it's a crawling. Oh life I don't know sweet darling. Me feel forgive of everything me put my all in. How much time me get to talk me want for calling. But no matter how it rough for you me calling. I've gotta see the light into the day. Oh it's my destiny. Gotta push until I break it down. I've gotta see the light into the day. Oh it's my destiny. Gotta push until I break the chains. Pre up the meditation. Me have an obligation to my destination. That is the goal, that is the situation. Children with no vision can't lead no nation. From we see the road rocky, things don't look happy. Pressure turning on, we turn it off and stop it. Blessings are coming and none can block it. No way. I've gotta see the light into the day. Oh, it's my destiny. Gotta push until I break it down. I've gotta see the light into the day. Oh, it's my destiny. Gotta push until I break the chains. No matter what you say, no matter what you try, we are gonna reach, no, we don't stop fly. Wanna see we fall like tears from my eyes, but we are gonna rise. No matter what you say, no matter what you try, we are gonna reach, no, we don't stop fly. Wanna see we fall like tears from my eyes, but we are gonna rise. I've gotta see the light into the day. Oh, it's my destiny. Gotta push until I break it down. I've gotta see the light into the day. Oh, it's my destiny. Gotta push until I break the chain.
By the way, I'm telling some turn music video star. How could I not play this song for you until now? Gotta send a big shout out to my brother Makian. I think Makian is the first artist to put me in a music video. Yeah, man. Boss me upon the people on screen. No, well, me kind of up on screen before. Yeah, we kind of do the TV thing too. But the music video thing, is Makian the first artist to feature me in a music video? Possibly, you know. I'm in more than one. But I think that one I'm prominently featured tonight. So if me I play my friend the music, I have to play that one, yeah. No, underneath, go check it out on YouTube. The title of the song is Oh No. The artist is Makian. The Oh No spell O-H-H. And you know how to spell no, right? The artist's name is Makian. M-A-C-K-E-E-H-A-N. I'm gonna go check out the video after the show and tell me how me look.
Roddy G is your morning man.
Look at this. Let's go. It's you play when the music hits ya. Make you feel like your bone them blister. From the vibe where you turn and twist ya. Music hits ya. Mister, play the tune, make the lighters flicker. Put another boom tune for your mixer. You know see ya
this all way. Foot out the street and we nah go back in, no, no. It's a new play when the music hits ya. Make you feel like your bone them blister. From the vibe where you turn and twist ya. Music hits ya, mister. Play the tune, make the lighters flicker. Put another boom tune by your mixer. You know see ya be a vibes in a this ya. From the beat drop, dance and sway. Tonight we a bleach and we nah go back in, no, no. Plan for this all way. Foot out the street and we nah go back in, no, no. Dance and sway. Tonight we a bleach and we nah go back in, no, no. Plan for this all way. Foot out the street and we nah go back in, no, no.
Emptiness is godliness. Get up on your feet and clean up the mess. Yes, look so dirty and you start boring. Good
Hey, prove me you got no contest. Prove me, prove me, prove me, prove me, prove me. Me have them in the house and yard, house and yard. I'm green and old. Prove me, prove me, prove me, prove me, prove me. With the cup we fight in a dick yard, in a dick yard. 'Cause I'm not afraid to say I'm a true man. The place where me born and grow is a Broomland. Rape and pain and nights in Clarendon. I was start and trade. See, you never know I am chairman, man's agent. Prove me, prove me, prove me, prove me, prove me. Me have them in a house and yard, house and yard. I'm green and old. Prove me, prove me, prove me, prove me, prove me. With the cup we burn in a dick yard, in a dick yard. Tell me what's a home without a broom? Dirty. Every room we have a house room. The cobweb in the ceiling, tall one get them down. And in the car in the creases, we have the hand one for reaching me back.
Life could be long, but life short. Show some love in your words and in your talk. Give love to those around you and show some remorse. Give love to the young and to the elderly in the park. I shock up our talk. Check the levels. Hear me now? As a community, we need to show more unity. We need to show more unity in the community. As a community, we need to show more unity. We need to show more unity in the community. Community, we need to show more unity. We need to show more unity in the community. As a community, we need to show more unity. We need to show more unity in the community. Life's not long, life grew up in short. Donate some blood, send a thoughtful thought. Your neighbor lose him daughter. Show some heart. Support the family, them walking in the dark. Don't wait to a school, to a hospital start. Clean up the center, plant up the park. Visit the elders, ask what you want. Jamaicans are loving people. Shabongo. As a community, we need to show more unity. We need to show more unity in the community. As a community, we need to show more unity. We need to show more unity in the community.
Good morning.
I can see myself warming up to you. Hold your little body close to
when you come.
Hey, the sons of Brian Hart.
I know I've been dreaming, but to make my day this evening, yeah, I'm finally believing, but I just can't wait to see. Maybe when I hold you in my arms like
I think it's a digital one production.
every little thing,
I think so, you know.
then you know I'm gonna give you
I never label it.
respect. Baby, when I hold you in my arms like so, and you leave every little thing up to me, then you know I'm gonna give you even more than I get. Ooh, I know I've been dreaming, but you made my day this evening. Ooh, I'm finally believing, but I just can't wait to see. Baby, when I hold you in my arms like so, and you leave every little thing up to me, then you know I'm gonna give you more than what you expect. Baby, when I hold you in my arms like so, and you leave every little thing up to me, then you know I'm gonna give
You
more
have
than
too much
I
work on the
get.
land. Be kinder to your woman brothers. Don't beat her down. Just show her love.
Roddy G is your morning man.
Well, in come the tinkle. We need more. For me, say love on the land. You have too much work on the land. Be kinder to your woman brothers. Don't beat her down. Just show her love. Be kinder to your brothers, sisters. Don't put him down. Just lift him up. Love is a two-way street. Now I feel receive. I don't want to give. All we need is love. We need it more than ever. All we want is love. We need everlasting love, love for you, love for me.
Sounds of Lucky D coming through your speakers. Everlasting Love, the title.
I told her I would stay if she'll give me her heart. She smiled and said yes. We took the train so far, far from yesterday. We're looking forward to today. Boy, I know we found everlasting love, the kind that people spend their whole life looking for. Yeah, this will be sincere love for you and me, boy, boy, boy. This will be truly our destiny, boy, boy. I've seen heaven in your eyes. Your smile has got me every time. This will be sincere love for you and me. Oh, boy. Ooh, this will be truly our destiny, boy.
Real kid from a record machine to the sound when I seen Biggie Rock come in as I will tell you. Down in the middle of this, make you jump onto his big like this. Tell you about it. Sometimes it's hard, but try and you'll make it. Believe you me. In order to achieve, go forth and take it. Set yourself free.
fall before you rise. But if you really want good, you know how to run. So get up and keep your eyes on the prize. So as part of your plan, you feel have ambition, and the Almighty One as your foundation. Hey, nobody get rich and switch because that's definitely wrong. Me begging you, don't forget your friends and where you come from. If you are thief, remember God now sleep. And although you rob a man and you get well last week, you fall about the street, but you're beaten going steep because God is a silent river and you know him run deep. Throughout history, lots of great men and women went about things the old-fashioned way. They just kept on winning and winning. So strive, step up in life and go for what you know. You've got to strive, remove the doubt from out your mind and let good flow. It's quite a while now I've been home. I got a restless cowboy feeling again, so it's time to roam. Music and people, yeah, that's what I need. And if you didn't know, here's where all roads lead to the day.
Roddy G is your morning man.
Good morning. It's quite a while now I've been home. I got a restless cowboy feeling again, so it's time to roam. Music and people, yeah, that's what I need. And if you didn't know, here's where all roads lead to the dance down the road. Let's go to the dance down the road. Running 5 days with your boss on your back, just can't get no peace. On the weekends you go out with your friend, man, long for release. Bring your queen and leave your machine, cause I just peace and love. Bus ride, boat ride, football game, whatever your favorite club. But want to dance down the road. Let's go to the dance down the road. Nothing like the dance down the road. Oh, what fun to dance down the road.
There's something I'm compelled to say, and I need to say to the world today.
We've come together in unity
As an example for all to see.
all we are saying. Give peace a chance. All we are saying is give peace a chance. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. All right. Yeah, yeah. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. All right. Yeah, yeah.
The time is here, the time is now. We've got to get together somehow and listen to our minds and our conscience and rid ourselves of all this violence.
Throw down your guns and all ammunitions. We wanna have a peaceful solution. All right. Yeah, yeah.
Who we say heads of government have got together? Why can't we live like sisters and brothers? Shun the temptation of killing each other. Let's just live like birds of a feather.
We wanna join all of the nations, restore again this peaceful creation. All right.
Say,
Yeah, yeah.
all we are saying,
I can't mix it out yet. I don't remember who is coming next. This is Bonnie. Who's this?
Oh, no fit do it. Man, you no fit do it. No deal with the violence.
Cause it no. So wait.
You no fit do it. Man, you
talk to them, Bailey.
No deal with the violence. Cause it no sweet. Jamaica is a land where the whole of we love. So let us get together and live as one. No matter which nuclear nor you weapon. No, let's get together and live as one. You coulda come from east, coulda come from west, coulda in your jacket pants or your vest. Come, you no fit do it, man, you no fit do it. No deal with the violence, cause it no sweet. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Alright, yeah yeah.
Gotta set the stage for the future. Walk the streets free forever. Let's just be our brother's keeper. We wanna show every nation we are proud to be Jamaican. Alright, yeah, 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 yeah.
I was talking to a friend of mine just the other day. Oh yeah, about the people of this world caught in a power play. Yeah, in this one-sided crazy game, who is against or for? I wanna know it. People making war for the money, people making money from the war. I can give them love and money more than people. About time we turn it around the other way. Love people more than money. Give them life, no more debt to pay. Sometimes the root of all evil come to eat away the tree. Hey, trying to read for everybody, even you and me. We got to be our brother's keeper. So backstabber, put away your knife. Hey, 'cause we can only make a living, but only God can make a life. We got to love people more than money. Still you turn it around the other way. Love and money more than people. And then you go to church on Sunday to kneel down and pray.
I walk the earth a long time and I've seen them all. I watch the weak arise and I watch the mighty fall. And though they try to rob I live every day. There's something in my sanity they'll never take away. A song to make the whole world sing. A song of love, a song of joy, of everything. A dream to make you realize life is real. A song that every living man can feel. Through low-class separation and high-class disease, I walk with Marcus' children, living in a world of need. And some of them come and some of them go, and none of them know my name. Everything must come to pass, the song remains the same. A song to make the whole world sing. A song of love, a song of joy, of everything. A dream to make you realize life is real.
You know, some of our song line up. May I wonder how many of you are even gonna remember this next song here. I have a song lined up that I loved as a youth. That song I would play when I'm on the bus to school. And thinking about it now, may I wonder how comes me used to hear it on the bus, because I don't remember country bus having radio. Country bus did have in radio. How me used to listen to them? Or was it at the time when coasters came in? Because the country bus them never have radio, you know. Or did they? They had a radio installed? Must have. Because I would hear this on my way to school. Yeah, man. And I absolutely loved it. Do you remember the artist Red Cloud? You know which song I forward?
Morning.
Hi. Alright, make it play. 26 minutes after 9 o'clock. This is the Throwback Juggling.
Morning, Mr. Drummer. I'm not drumming for you. Who there? I man is Rastafari to you. Good morning, Mr. Drummer. Me no drumming for you.
What stage in life were you when this song came out? Do you even know this song? You remember this song? How this song did make you feel when you hear it? How does it make you feel now?
Good morning, Mr. Drummer. I'm not drumming for you. Who there? I man is Rastafari to you. Good morning, Mr. Drummer. Me no drumming for you. Who then is a tenor, which tenor saw? Which saw buy which buy steal? Which steal a go, which a go follow ma do the flash card, which a card a Bennett, which a Bennett. Bennett is the man that play the fiddle for the young girl. Rose identical, funny like a female girl, funny like a female girl. Good morning, Mr. Drummond. Good morning, yeah. Good morning, Mr. Drummond. Me no drumming for you. Good morning, Mr. Drummond. Me no drumming for you. Who then, Mr. Tenor? Which tenor saw? Which saw buyer? Which a buyer steal? Which a steal a go, which a go follow. Which a follow ma, which a mama doodle. Which a doodle flash, which a flash cord. Which a cord a Bennett, which a Bennett. Well, Bennett is the man that play the fiddle for the young, yeah. Rosie, funny like a feel girl too. Good morning, Mr. Drummond. Good morning, yeah. Good morning, Mr. Drummond. Me no drumming for you. Who then, Mr. Tenor? Which tenor saw? A which a saw buyer? Which a buyer steal? A which a steal a go? Which a go follow? A which a follow ma, which a mama doodle. A which a doodle flash, which a flash card. A which a card a Bennett, which a Bennett. Well, Bennett is the man that play the fiddle for the young girl. Rose identical, funny like a female girl.
To this day, I'm not really sure of all of the words what I'm say, but I love the song. Good morning, Mr. Drummond. Me no Drummonds for you. Funny like a... When say write the song? But don't know. But I like it. Big shout out to the lady Joan. Joan says when she hears songs like these, she feel nice. I guess it's a 250,000 days, you know. Well, hear the thing now. You see, over Portmore, we don't have the 250,000. But you see, over East, we did got Tata before we got 250,000. That's how it go. Yeah, man, we got Tata before we got 250,000. We did get a few $250,000. But we didn't merely move from Tata to Encava. You remember them bus there? Bridging. We did have a bus on the route on Encava where they tint and name housewife choice. Me said that, hey, you know how much time I late for school for take that bus there? If that bus they pass me, I may live 8 miles from town. If that bus they pass me, I'm supposed to leave out of the house around 6 o'clock. If that bus they pass me, go down. Me I wait for it to come back 7:30. Cause me have to check the housewife choice, you know. Hey, that bus they did nice, you know, man. Shout out to all of the people who would have them favorite bus. Housewife choice was I don't know what them did do with that bus there, but they mash it up. You know what, bossy? Them time the bus them are coming with the bell right there up on the rail and you know, hey, me say, bus nice. Encava man, housewife choice are the nicest Encava up on the entire island. Big up the people them who, you know, forward from outer east. All of my Bullbear people, them Harborview people, them Rockford people, them people that would know about them bus. They understand housewife choice. Yeah. Hey, gotta send a big shout out to my brother Sheldon as well. Sheldon was on the island for this weekend. Sheldon is from Atlanta. Sheldon, I listened to me long time. Sheldon, I listened to me from Bridge Days. And I was at the Rock Hotel on the weekend because you know I play there on a Saturday, right? Them call it Dongertown Saturdays. A little retro vibe. I'm there juggling and do my thing. Until me take a quick break and visit the bar and a bridge and say, yo, Roddy G. Yo, I Sheldon this, you know. From the bridge text line, man. Yo, me there, I listen to juggling and then me hear your voice and me realize that you know me. I said, John, no. Yo, the man yell me up at the bar and then when me done juggling, bridging forward and say, yo, me don't know if it mean nothing to you, know. But it mean a lot to me for me to, you know. Just, oh, yes, man. It always mean a lot for me to find a well-wisher, somebody who will support me. I want to you. How you mean if it means something to me? Hey, Sheldon, pick up yourself, you know. My Atlanta peeps, how you doing this morning? 32 minutes after 9 o'clock. We're going to exit out of the segment. This was like a throwback vibe, taking it down memory lane. One type of way. But we're going to bring it forward again, you know. Some current selections. And as I look at the stream and I realize that we have so many beautiful women connected, I can't help but go here with the you know, say, no, I'm not going to bother with the mix-up. I'm going to do what I plan for do. I'm going to big up the ladies who are on the stream. We're going to celebrate the ladies on the stream right now. And so, with that in mind, I'm going to play you this song. Good morning to the beautiful ladies. This is your song.
Wow. Good morning. Yeah.
Roddy G is your morning man.
This one goes out to all my women, you know, my strong women. So amazing how this world was made. I wonder if God is a woman. The gift of life astounds me to this day. I give it up for the woman.
You know what, I'm glad to me and the truth keep company. I did not know that Sheldon was on. I didn't know. I guarantee there was no way of me knowing that Sheldon was on the stream. But just know, say, from life start, I'm going to start learn life. But know, say, when you put things out in the universe, make sure, say, it's truth, make sure it's honest, because it is going to reach the ears of the people. Big up to Sheldon up on the stream right now. Big up yourself, my brother. It was a joy, my brother.
Wow. Yeah. Shorty. Yeah. This one goes out to all my women, you know, my strong women. So amazing how this world was made. I wonder if God is a woman. The gift of life astounds me to this day. I give it up for the woman. She's the constant wind that fills my sail. Oh, that woman. With a smile and a star, she'll protect you like a child. That's a woman. She'll put a smile upon her face and take you to the higher place. So don't you underestimate strength of a woman. Strength of a woman. Woke up this morning, I got up with a scent of a woman. Just picture if you would what life would be. Ain't much good without a woman. She can nag and be a constant pain. Oh, that woman. But those hips, she's got me whipped, and it's just too hard to resist. What a woman. Hey, she'll put a smile upon her face and take you to the higher. Good morning. So don't you underestimate strength of a woman. Strength of a woman. Tender lips, they're so sweet. Gentle where she softly speaks. Such an angel when we meet. God bless the ground beneath her feet. She can take you on a high, be a comfort when you cry. But if you look into her eyes, you'll see the strength of a woman. Strength of a woman.
Like diamonds and pearls. Dedicate to all the girls around the world. This is Raven and Shaggy with a combination with your mix. Flip this one on your musical disc.
Girl, you're my angel. You're my darling angel. Closer than my peeps, you are to me. Good morning. Shorty, you're my angel. You're my darling angel. Girl, you're my friend when I'm in need, lady.
Life is one big party when you're still young. But who's gonna have your back when it's all done? It's all good when you live for your pure fun. Can't be a fool, son. What about the long run? Looking back, shorty, always a mention. Say me not giving her much attention. She was there through my incarceration. I wanna show the nation my appreciation.
Girl, you're my angel. You're my darling angel. Closer than my peeps, you are to me, baby. Shorty, you're my angel. You're my darling angel. Girl, you're my friend when I'm in need.
You're okay, you know me? It's nothing like the sweetest wine, the sweetest time. She always give the sweet. Whenever time she start feel sexy, that's when she finds she pick up her phone and a text me. When mama leave me near my car, she scream and bawl. Fingernail a scratch up wall. My jump off is normally easy, but tonight it's like she take charge and she stop, let me lie them roll. Me told them I fall, me lose control, I need console. It seems like she flipped the script, wait for the right time and then she flipped that switch. For her I live devotion. See I'm a true player, we don't show emotion. Now is this the moment I fear? I started to tear, I shed in a tear. No way.
Can I have your attention? I have a serious topic to discuss. Now, if anybody, and I mean anybody, says anything contradictory to this, it's a lie. A blatant lie. Black men don't cheat. Can I have your attention?
Roddy G is your morning man.
Topic to discuss. Now, if anybody, and I mean anybody, says anything contradictory to this, it's a lie. A blatant lie. Black men don't cheat. No, we don't do it. We stay faithful to a woman at home. Now run down no girl out the street. Black men don't cheat. No, we don't do it. All when all of the other race them a give on. Black men don't do it. When you talk about honest, loyal, faithful, no other girl can make my pants waist full. I trust my wife alone, and some me grateful. She alone can make me happy and cheerful. Some bad mind people might call me a liar, but figgy bun and us a black man wired. One girl to me thing until me whole and tired. But I hear who want call me friar. Black men don't cheat. Black men don't cheat. No, we don't do it. No, we don't do it. No. We stay faithful to a woman at home. Now run down no girl out the street. Black men don't cheat. Black men don't cheat. No, we don't do it. No, we don't do it. All when all of the other race them a give on. Black men don't do it. Me book a nice sexy girl from Maypen. I give me number but me tell her I'm taken. Why some people have to feel like me faking? Them see me with the girl and just feel like we dating. Every other race to take a page out how we book. Not tea for your woman cause we are no gal cook. The most we will do is just smile and look. You not have to worry if your girl a get. Black men don't cheat. Black men don't cheat. No, we don't do it. No, we don't do it. No. We stay faithful to a woman at home. Now run down no girl out the street. Black men don't cheat. Black men don't cheat. No, we don't do it.
I know Joan just loves this song.
All when all of the other race them.
I know Stacy, she just loves this song.
Do it. You can feel safe. Feel if your girl around with anytime. Our only friendship alone that pound with mine. No 5 cents, 10 cents, no dollar wine. The cheating thing we don't shine. I am a true believer in monogamy. Me not indulge in no polygamy. You see the 2-wife thing that a bigamy. Only me wifey alone can fizzle. Black men don't cheat. Black men don't cheat. No, we don't do it. No, we don't do it. No. We stay faithful to a woman at home. Now run down no girl out the street. Black men don't cheat. Black men don't cheat. No, we don't do it. No, we don't do it. All when all of the other race them a give on. Black men don't do it.
All the Christmas and sweet Maria.
The only way I have a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year is when the rich man them pockets get here. I swear, a rich man me want me Christmas.
All the Christmas and sweet Maria.
The only way I have a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year is when the rich man them pockets get here. I swear, a rich man me want me Christmas. Tell him about pocket man them share for. Send me money come a Western Union. Give me big house and fancy cars. Me have war and
them no like me, tell them we smart feature. Tell them say me don't have me things on me now. Make nobody nothing so them can't kiss me. Now we had pan no partner, jolly ladies are. A one girl way and nobody lick up ya. Hypocrite them go tell them left out tire. Goody girl so me no fix swami la. Swami work up.
Show them tell your man make you go something for Christmas. Cause the one of them have it sit down and a discuss. But your man a give you no money for the gift rush. Them a go dead when you chiss bust, yeah. You must show them tell your man make you go something for Christmas. But them with the bedded and the dress already smoked. After this a holiday you know if you go Christmas. Cause you must wear a Lexus, yes. But of course y'all are only you the man treasure. You the man love and I go mind you forever. But of course them a chat and them a gala beggar. You know have to beg your man a money gorilla. Of course muggle pan a gal inna your leg. We see you them can't even buy feather. Of course when you put two and two together them a
I wish for all mankind a warm Jamaican Christmas time. Where there is no snow, where the good sense of media grow. Oh, I wish that we could find true love at Christmas time. Don't have to be concerned, show some love and let the peace fight burn. Oh, I wish for all mankind a warm Jamaican Christmas time. Where there is no snow, where the good sense of media grow. Oh, I wish that we could find true love at Christmas time. Don't have to be concerned, show some love and let the peace fight burn. Oh, where we can party all the night away. Orange on the beaches where all the lovers play. You can take a swim and wash your tears away. Yeah, jamming in the sun just like my mommy said. Whoa, whoa, I wish for all mankind a warm Jamaican.
I did promise you that as December came around, that I would be giving you more of the Christmas vibes. Dawn. What are we doing yardie style? No white Christmas around here.
To be concerned, show some love and let the peace fight burn. Oh, I wish for all mankind a warm Jamaican Christmas time. Where there is no snow, where the good sense.
No, but now mix out Sham verse. We have to make Sham drop theme verse. As we wish you a warm Jamaican Christmas. Sham, touch piece of rhythm then no.
Relax in all the zone, I drink a red shine. Take a puff up on me, I blow the smoke in all the air. I listen reggae music on a whole barber here. I look back in a life and I give thanks to be here. Consider myself lucky, although me shoes here. I know for me colleagues, them drop out through the year. Now after bag of money, now no new clothes for you. But if you're hungry and me a pretend that life is here.
Taking a ride, a ride, a ride, a ride. Here's the money. Taking a ride, a ride, a ride, a ride. That's alright. Here's the money.
Cruising around with a jeep full of honeys. Each one want to introduce me to their mummies. Some want me back up and come over with my luggage. The ride won't be smooth, it will be rugged. My loving attitude extremely cold-blooded. If you want to ride, make sure you can manage. My daily menu is some peanut porridge. What's left to do is to do some damage.
She pretty and she fit out with the latest. She's dangerous, got them a bashman girl. Big bumper from them girl, they and the bomb dangerous. Got them a bashman girl. Fresh like a rose in a what girl clothes dangerous. Got them a bashman girl. Me and me crew would have feel too dangerous. Got them a bashman girl. Careful we wish for mine we want. Them girl we make you go in and you work on guitar. And done it, and can't say.
A big shout out to all bashment ladies. All the bashment girl them. You don't say ad for the Christmas. We're talking about the lady Sharice. We're talking about Melissa. We're talking about Stacy. Warm to June.
Them a bashman girl. Fresh like a rose in a what girl clothes dangerous. Got them a bashman girl. Me and me crew them feel too dangerous. Got them a bashman, a bashman, a bashman, a bashman.
Hunting, happy find something. Want pick a cherry, still me woulda cut a pumpkin. But woulda marry if me coulda virgin, yes. Me hunting, happy find something. And if I no carry then a baby or the browning. Hey, you find a young girl and show she small. You think that she not give a man with ball. But if you ever hear how much name I call, hey, she have Peter Mark and she there with Saul. She all of American over Whitehall. So make sure when you're in love you no fall.
Hey, Mr. Mention, ask yourself this question. Who don't say who know what done, man? Good morning. The program. Tell me, have you ever stopped to think what make a girl cheat? Have you ever asked her if she like how you do it? You need to check yourself before you start kiss your teeth, car you're not ready for this yet, boy. Have you ever wondered what make a girl? A woman must be satisfied before you say you're done. You can't say a thing if you end up a get fun, car you're not ready for this yet, boy. And you're a little fool as say I him rule the world. And with my bum scary and I sleep over merle. Get your act together before you look another girl, you're not ready for this yet, boy. Did you even realize a woman have? Do you remember? Young little girl a go on road. That's why you need that man a eat bully pound of food. Who not ready for? Who not ready for? Who not ready for this yet, boy? Most a full of pure self-praise. Hot fire there but they would not blaze. Gotta feel work a miracle for make the dead raise. Round them up and lock them up with day. Tree. I want to tell him to flee. I tell you it was under the sycamore tree. The sun stopped shining for them. Tell you it was under the sycamore tree. I want to tell him to flee. I tell you it was under the sycamore tree. The sun stopped shining for me. Well, remember when we used to grow? You used to wrap your hint and me think you did a gal. But me a goody and me never know how. Furthermore, me never decide. A long time your friend them did a leak. But they keep back and me never want speak. And me a gal we go on me church every week. So me nah make no boy on me. So me say under the sycamore tree. A boy want me tell him to flee. I tell you it was under the sycamore tree. The sun stopped shining for me. I tell you it was under the sycamore tree. A boy want me tell him to flee. I tell you it was under the sycamore tree.
Leadership.
Good morning.
What they're picking up. The real mashup. Hear me now. Yo, me on a walk, me on a star. Man on a hog, man on a tag, man on a star. Me on a house, me on a land, me on a car. Me love me God and me not stay far. Me not go run, me not go hide, me not go flee. Me not go keep, me not go turn no refugee. Me not go afraid of look, you not afraid of me. But you will take on your whole family, boy. You take me simple, but not take man for school. You want to ride, go get a donkey or a mule. You want to ride where you know on your own at all. Man a this, a man a that, boy you a fool. I am me born, I am me live and me a stay. And from me little bit I so me the pray. I me no sin no boy to make me run away. Come me no punk boy, I'm a no get pass. Me on a back, me on a star. Man on a hog, man on a tag, man on a star. Me on a house, me on a land, me on a car. Me love me God, so me not stay far. If you think I so well, yes I know we there. How we born, now we not run away. We will away, some man no make out a play. Sim Simma, who got the keys to my bima? Who am I? So the cabra say, me want one of them a girl, they know them a taste style. Flip it and pamper like baby. And from you know say you look good, girl and you smell good. And the girl wave your hand show. Me want one of them a girl, they know them a taste style. Flip it and pamper like baby. And from you know say you look good, girl and you smell good. And the girl wave your hand show me. Girl look at me in the mood, please don't say me rude. But me who don't mind to see you nude. You make the whole life so move and your skin feels so smooth. Really want to know where you are use. Enough y'all get confused and not carry news. You know what, that you just a cruise. But me want one of them a girl, they know them a chick. Chick it out, vampire like that. After you know say you look good, yes I just smell good. But you can feel you. Well, me want to see you all in the air.
Is it the time? It is time. Yeah, man, I also over there. We've come to the end of another broadcast. It is time for me to say my farewell. Bid you a wonderful day. See all you know, Stacy. See all you know. Set up artists you be now. Shout outs to the folks over there at BlackScorpionEnterprise.com. Big up to everybody on the Twitch feed. Remember, people, I have to go on the platforms that support the music. That supports not only me, the DJ, but the artist as well. So for all of my Facebook feed people, please go set up on a Twitch account. Please go over there and follow me. I only have 15 followers right now, I think. Yeah, as me just revived the account because I wasn't active on that platform. But me I revived that account, so here what now. You see today we have 15. Next week more they are 1,500. We can make that happen? Say yes. Be the first person to go over on that Twitch platform. Find my account, use the handle DJRODDYG and click on the subscribe or whatever them call it over there. So, see? Yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. So big ups to everybody on the See Jamaica live feed. It's been an absolute amazing experience having you guys on board. You have been wonderful. People write us up on at DJ Roddy G. Big up there themselves and everybody on the Facebook live. Big up there themselves. Continue to have yourself a wonderful day. And the Almighty willing, we'll be back with you tomorrow morning, 7 in the a.m. to do it again, but do it differently. What's it called? Ready for the road. To get you ready for the road. Big up and God bless. And yes, Sparky, I'll be on Mixcloud as well. You can find me on Mixcloud as well. When I stop the Facebook feed, that will be the platform that I replace it with.
You never get a slam for your bus fare. Pressure them, yeah, me there in the latest aware. Them can't smear your career. With you, them won't compare. But you know borrow where. You not chase man like Chuck Beer. You don't get no kill Islam. No confront no man. Tell them you no one night stand. So tell a girl move along. Go back where she come from. Tell them say you're not borrow man. Tell me say you're one in the air. You never get a slam, get me and I care. All of the and them in the air, yeah, me there. You never get a slam for your bus fare. Let me say you're one in the air. You never get a slam, get me and I care. All of the and them in the air, yeah, me there. You never get a slam for your bus fare, bus fare.